I didn't have time to do nails this weekend, but I wanted to show you what I was up to. I ended up ordering this portable pantry off of Amazon, and I wanted to put it together myself. Who says girls can't do stuff like this, huh? I must admit, however, it did take me about 4 hours to put the stinking thing together because the instructions sucked. At least they had a video, though, on Amazon on the product page where it shows the pictures. Yeah, that video worked fantastically to help me figure out how to put it together. But anyways, here she is. Look how beautiful, and it works perfectly for all my nail stuff. Well, not all my nail stuff. I mean, I have a lot of nail stuff, but yeah, here she is. I also added a lock on there so my 3-year-old can't get into all my stuffies. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will leave the link in the description, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and ring the bell so you're notified on future videos. I post a video once a week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.